Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I finally want to sit down and chat through my first two purchases of the year. I did a video earlier in the year talking about my new kind of shopping challenge, I guess, which is going to be to buy one item a month for the rest of 2022. And this was inspired by Tess Montgomery, who I see do the one item a month, I think for the last couple of years. And I just thought it was a really nice idea to kind of put more focus and attention into just one item at a time and introducing one new item into your wardrobe at a time. So you kind of, you know that feeling when you go shopping and you buy like 5 or 6 new items and you just don't know which ones to wear first, or you have one that you prefer, so you end up wearing that for like a week straight and you kind of forget about the other ones. So this is kind of about putting that attention on that one item and really making sure it's going to be that, you know, that's going to work in the rest of your wardrobe, and that you can implement it into your wardrobe like that. So far I have my January purchase and my February purchase done. I had bought something in March, but I've just decided to return it, so I'm going to return that in the post today. So it's all packaged up, but I will show you some pictures and kind of talk through why I decided to return it. But first of all, I'm going to start with my January purchase. So for January, I bought the Spanx kind of wet look, leather look leggings. My sister had these and she recommended these a lot and just said that they were great leggings, and they were really kind of like, they're really tight but they're really comfy at the same time. Like they're quite stretchy but then they're comfortable to wear. And I wanted like a leather skinny back in my life, because for the kind of cold weather when I want to wear like big oversized jumpers, my straight leg skinny trousers, or my straight, that doesn't even make sense. My straight leg leather trousers didn't really suit the silhouette, so you kind of had to wear slightly more. I wear more fitted tops with my straight leg trousers, and then obviously with an oversized jumper I want to wear something skinny on the bottom. So I just went for these, and I have worn these a bunch since I've gotten them. At the start, when it was really, really wintry weather, it was almost a little too cold to wear them. They are quite, like, if it's a windy day, like, you really feel it, but they're so cozy, and once you're like moving around or you're indoors or something, it's fine. They're really high-waisted. What I love about them is that they don't have like a seam up the front here, so you don't get that like camel toe effect, which is great. There is one on the back but just not on the front. And yeah, I just really love them. They're just really handy to wear. You can basically style them up the same way I would with just normal black leggings, but these just look a little bit cooler, a little bit edgier, a little bit more put together, and I have been very much enjoying them. And even now I can still wear them because they're not too hot. Even when it gets a little bit sunny, I can still wear them. Styling wise, they're super easy to style. Like I mentioned, they go with all of my kind of oversized jumpers and chunky knitwear, and yeah, just really enjoying that kind of vibe. They were, I think they're about £80 full price. I got them with a discount, so I ended up getting them for I think about 50. I bought them kind of around like New Year's and stuff. There was discounts going on, so I obviously didn't pay full price for them, but I definitely think they're worth what I paid for them. And even if I had paid full price, I would probably still think they're worth it. I'm super squinty today. It's a really sunny day outside and I'm like facing the window, for obviously to get as much light as possible in the video, so I'm just like really squinty. I think my eyes are still a little bit sensitive to light from my laser eye surgery, but yeah, all good. Hence why I'm not wearing a lot of makeup either. I'm not kind of fully back there with eye makeup. I haven't worn mascara in over 3 weeks, or eyeliner, a little bit of eyeshadow. I am kind of getting back into it a little bit. So my next purchase is my February purchase, and I still kind of question, well, I guess budget wise it made sense to make this just like my one purchase of a month, but then also because it's an accessory, I was kind of like, does this count? Like, I don't buy accessories that much, so should it count? But I counted it for February anyway, and I bought myself an Acne Scarf. You know, everyone knows these, like they're kind of popular and they look really nice. And yeah, I got sucked in by kind of having a Acne Scarf logo on my scarf. But I love it, and it's really cozy, and I probably for the month of February and until it got sunny in March wore it every single day. This just looks so good at my navy coat. I love that brown and navy combination. It looked really good at my trench coat. I just threw it on over absolutely everything, and because of the really neutral colour, it just worked. So yeah, that was great. This full price I think is 110. Again, I got it with a discount from Net-a-Porter because I have people who work there. So I bought this for, I think it was 66, something like that, which to me even was crazy, spending 60 quid on a scarf. But actually I love it, and it's so timeless, and it's really good quality, and it just goes with everything, and it's so neutral. You sometimes think like, but it's so basic, like why would I spend money on such a basic piece or spend so much money? But I kind of wanted to challenge myself also to not just think that like I would never spend like more than a tenner on a scarf, because it's just a scarf. It's still a piece of my wardrobe, and it still lends itself to the overall outfit and my overall style. And I was kind of challenging my money mindset a little bit when I did this. And yeah, I'm really glad I got it. I think it's because it's a neutral and because it's so basic, it means that I'm just going to wear it so much more. And any of the other scarves that I have, which I don't really have a lot, but I never put the thought into them of like, will this go down my outfits? Will this, you know, colour work with my wardrobe? It just like didn't really occur to me before. So I'm really glad that I bought this. So my March purchase was a dress from Mango. I'll pop a little photo here. I posted it on Instagram. There was very mixed reviews about like if you liked it or you didn't like it. So I thought that was really interesting. So if you don't follow me on Instagram and you didn't vote in that, I'd love to know below if you like that dress or if you think I made the right decision by returning it. I didn't return it because I don't like it. I really liked it. I really liked it on me. I'll pop another photo here. Thought it was a great fit. Thought it was a really cool design. I thought it really flattered my figure, and it was definitely my style. Even when I showed my fiance, I was like, what do you think of this dress? He's like, yeah, it's very you. So I feel like it was very me, but the reason I didn't keep it is because I have a very similar dress in my wardrobe that I got like last year sometime, in like sales or something. I can't really remember what month it was. I want to maybe like autumn sometime, and it just, there wasn't a gap in my wardrobe for this Mango dress because I had this other dress that I have only gotten to wear once so far. And so if another occasion comes up, I would feel like I'd be choosing between the two of them, like which one I wanted to wear, because they're both so similar. One is plain and one is like kind of like a snake print. I'll pop both of them up here for you, but I don't know, I just think that they kind of fill the same gap, and there wasn't a gap for the Mango dress in my life. And for a dress that was 100% polyester, now it was 30% recycled, but then I kind of just felt bad about the other 70%, and I was like, I feel like I've lost my way a little bit with trying to be more sustainable when I'm making purchases. I'd given up buying new for so long that I didn't really look at these like materials and stuff, so I would just buy anything because it was secondhand. But buying new, I kind of have to remind myself to like really consider the fabrics. So because it was 100% polyester and it was £69, and it was just like a plain jersey dress, the cut was gorgeous, but that's all there was to it. I just felt like it wasn't worth the investment, so I got rid of that. Well, it's over in the corner and it's going to go back to the post office today. But yeah, I just, you know, the whole point of adding one thing at a time really makes me consider these purchases. And in my head, I'm like, if I return this, I could get something this month that really does fit my style, or I could skip a month. Like, it, you know, March is almost over, but I do have another item in mind for this purchase, for this month's purchase. I actually apologize for all the noise in the background. It's a busy road. I'm not sure how much is getting picked up on my microphone, but I haven't really been noticing, so I've just kind of been talking over it. I'll know for next time if it's really noisy. This isn't my usual setup. This is my living room, but my own room is a mess, and it's a work in progress until it's set up really nicely to film. That'll be like after the wedding. This is all my wedding decor, by the way. Like, this is the vibe I'm going for, so if you see it before the wedding, spoiler alert. But everything's just laid out, and to be honest, it's quite a nice vibe. I kind of want all of this to just be in my home as decor afterwards. going completely off topic. Yeah, so for my March purchase, potentially over the next week, I have like a few days to make it. I wanted to add in a pair of, also from Mango actually, but it's a pair of cream wide leg trousers. So they're high-waisted. I've tried them on already, so I kind of know that they fit well, but they're really long, but I can hem them myself. So I can basically have any length jeans that I want. So I could have them full length, I could have them a little bit of like an ankle length, I could have them a bit cropped. I feel like the indecisiveness will really kick in there. I just won't know what length to go with. But I think something around ankle length is always good. It looks great with boots. But a pair of cream jeans is just, you know, it's going to sit really well with the rest of my wardrobe. And it's an everyday item. I love my white jeans, but I feel like sometimes they can be a bit too bright. So it's nice to wear those kind of creamy tones. They're a little bit softer. It kind of works better with the rest of the colours in my wardrobe, like the kind of more warmer browns and creams and beiges and things like that. So I definitely think these jeans could be a winner in my wardrobe. Let me know what you think below. Let me know if you think I should go for the jeans. If I do, I will pop them in another video soon and kind of let you know how I get on with them, and you know, some different styling ways as well. Ways to style. I really want to film some styling videos with these two items very soon. I've said it already, but I don't have like my wardrobe sorted. I haven't gotten it unpacked properly. I've had to pack it back away so I can like start painting my room and get my like wardrobes built. My capsule wardrobe is a mess at the moment. I do not have a capsule wardrobe right now. I feel like it's just everything all in the one place. You know, the sun's shining, so I've pulled out some summer bits, but I still have some winter bits. But I just have like everything and anything just all over the place. So yeah, I think once I get my wardrobe sorted, like my actual like, I'm gonna go for the IKEA Pax wardrobes. Once I get those purchased and ordered and built, and my room gets a little bit more kind of put together, I really want to do another series on like basically starting capsule wardrobe from scratch. So how I sort out all my pieces and how I decide what's going to go into my spring wardrobe, how I organize it, and then we can kind of start in spring and we can do it again for summer and autumn and winter. Just have that kind of year cycle. So if you're new to a capsule wardrobe or you feel like you've lost your way a bit as well, then you can like join me. If you aren't subscribed already and you want to catch that series, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out. I'm really out of breath now and I have some wedding errands to go and run, so I'm going to wrap this up. But thank you so much for watching. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, it's Gemma A. McLean, and I share a lot more about like when I come up with ideas for like what my item of the month will be. I share it and I see what you think, so if you want to get involved, definitely follow me over there. I'll talk to you guys really soon, and thank you so much for watching.